Facebook Reels are fun to watch, but sometimes you might want to clear your history for more privacy or just to reset your recommendations. So, in this guide, I'll show you step by step on how you can delete your Reels history on Facebook so that you can take control of what shows up in your feed. First, go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the profile picture menu in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. From this page, again scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of Your Activities section, and under My Activity, tap on Activity Log. From this page, again scroll down and tap on Manage Interactions. Scroll down and tap on View Activity History and clear the video watch history. And refresh the page and your Reels history is now deleted. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.